Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. It is the Market Beast edition. Yes, fellow competitor speaking. So Tesla needs an update. We're going to go over the one line in the sand for Tesla. Tesla has about 3 weeks to get above this one level that we're going to explore. Also, I want to pull up the higher time frames, the monthly candles, to show you guys a secret Fibonacci level that Tesla might actually be finding support at. So it's kind of contradicting here, but let's get into those details. Let's make it short, guys. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, my loyal subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts here, shall we? So today's February the 6th, 2024, and the previous close of Tesla, $181.06, slightly negative 3.6% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get in here, guys. Really simple chart. Well, there's one dotted line that I did add, and it just simply represents the line in the sand. That's not a new level. Hopefully I'm leaving links for our Tesla videos. This is for my interesting guys. They understand this level, $193. Now, if the price action is below that level, the sellers have an advantage. If the price action is above that level, the buyers have an advantage. Keep in mind, guys, the overall trajectory and trend for Tesla is still very well intact, and it is still very much to the upside. It's just my unique way of understanding the levels. The $193 is very significant. You can take it as you wish. Arbitrary, that's fine, but I'm just giving you the information as I see it in the charts, okay? So by the way, let's go ahead and address, yes, on the last video post, I was wrong. I actually thought Tesla was gearing up to move higher. Keep in mind, guys, Tesla is still printing lower highs. If you're looking at the screen, please kindly follow me here. Multiple lower highs. The new high still has not been accomplished. So therefore, Tesla still has bearish potential. However, it is still perfectly intact and has bullish potential as long as it makes a move within a short period of time. I'm actually going to give Tesla 3 weeks to break above and stay above one level. Hopefully the title suggests, I don't know, like 3 weeks Tesla countdown or something. You know, I have the weird titles, right? This dotted line, guys, within 3 weeks, if there's no weekly candle to close back above $193, then the sellers are they're rubbing their hands together, guys, because although I've been pulling out of my prediction of the $50 price target for Tesla, the volume doesn't lie to me. The volume is suggesting that the relevant market participants here will take control at $50. Okay, if a new high is not created. Okay, a new high is at $300. Tesla has failed to make a new high. Tesla currently has failed to stay above the previous level of the previous high. So it appears that, you know, as much as the buyers are trying, guys, they must pull this off in a short period of time. Okay, and personally, I'm just going to give it 3 weeks. All right, and this doesn't, please, guys, please don't take this video as time to sell your Teslas. I've been wrong many times about stocks. Okay, I'm just giving you the information as I'm seeing it. But my strategic and unique way of understanding this is, 193. It's really simple. All right, 3 weeks, guys. Tesla bulls, you got 3 weeks. Get above 193, or else we'll have to just see how the sellers are going to, entertain positions in this market. Let's leave it at that. All right. So the last but not least thing I wanted to let you guys know as far as the higher time frame. So that was kind of a bullish. I'm no bias here, guys. I'm not long nor short this market, just to kind of be transparent with you. So I'm not biased in either direction. Now, I did want to show you one last thing and we'll close it out. So I'll pull up the monthly candles on Tesla. And I actually wanted to pull out my Fibonacci retracement level. So let's do that really quickly. And what I'm going to do is just take this little price action right over here because, of course, it appears my first tone was slightly bearish. So now I want to kind of find some sort of bullish. Me personally, I think it's bearish, guys. But just in case I'm wrong, which happens often, let's see if we can find a Fibonacci retracement level to find a buy-in opportunity. Again, we're taking this small area of price action starting at about May-ish 2022. Okay, let's pull out a Fibonacci retracement. And to find a buy-in opportunity, what you do is you start from the lows. All right, again, monthly candles, and you measure to the last high, right around there. All right, I'm gonna pull out that fib. All right, let's do it, something like that. All right, so what do you know? It looks like the monthly, according to the monthly candles, there has been a reaction. Okay, this does not mean that it's time to start loading the boat. Napoleon just showed me that the 618 is starting to, they're starting to buy at that level. It's time to load the boat. No, guys, no cliches here, first and foremost. Secondly, this is an active monthly candle that still has about 23 days and 17 hours to fully develop. So therefore, there can be a lot of changes within this candle within that time frame. So let's give it time. I did at least wanted to kind of show you that. So just in case there is something going on at that level, then you can, I guess, kind of use this as a reason why, right? Whether it's accurate and useful information or not. All right. And that level is at about $176. Remember, if you're a long-term investor, don't try to time the market. Don't try to look at weird videos like this to determine I'm going to sell now and I'm going to buy it back in. No, don't do that, guys. I recommend simply dollar cost averaging. If you are a conservative investor who invests for the mid and long term, that's the way that I always invest. Okay, I never try to time the bottom and stuff like that. I still try it, but that's another story. All right, hopefully you guys, to summarize everything, the monthly appears to be buyers at $176. The weekly candles, which is how we've been monitoring Tesla over the past for well over a year now. It's been some time. The weekly candles are suggesting that the critical level is $193, and the buyers had better within 3 weeks, according to my understanding. Get back above that level and stay above that level, or else, rip, or a slow, gradual move to the downside. All right, so that's how we're gonna end it out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully you learned something, and we're gonna end the video. So before you go, if you don't mind, do me a huge favor by simply leaving an appropriate thumb. I'd appreciate it on the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued support. If you guys are new, we also explored the alternative market, Bitcoin and Dogecoin for now. So you can kind of join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send it out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now. Guys and gals.